Okay, so you're here to learn how to do the magic ring, and it's really simple. I know it will look and sound complicated, but it really is not. It's super simple. So without further ado, let's get to it. This end of the yarn is going to be toward you, okay? This end is toward you, looking this way, and this long yarn that is attached to our ball is going to be going this way, okay? This yarn end is like this. Now you are going to be wrapping this yarn around your finger just once, okay? You are going to make it go over, okay? You're not going to do it side like this. You are going to make this go around over it as to create this little X here, okay? You put this around. Now the idea is to pull this strand underneath this strand. That is it. And how we do it is we put our hook underneath the first strand that we want to pull this yarn through. So we pull our hook. Hi, kitty cat. Hello. Okay. And now we are going to grab this yarn and then pull it through underneath. Okay, we grabbed it. All right, that is all we needed to do. Now, before we let go of anything, we are going to do one chain to secure. Okay, we grabbed it just like we do a chain, and we did it. There's your magic ring. Okay, that's how it was. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again. This small end of the yarn is toward you. You wrap it around your finger, making a little X. Put your hook through. Grab this yarn and pull it through. And then what we're going to be doing is, we are going to secure this, if I can grab it, and pull it through a chain, and you are done. That ring is your magic ring. You've done it. So it is really easy. Once you do it a few times, it's going to become second nature. That's the whole thing about magic ring, okay? And then you can start going around the magic ring and putting in your stitches, and that's the magic ring. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this was useful. I will see you in the next video. Bye!